Welcome. Today we're going to walk through how to create and edit a special purpose worksheet. A special purpose worksheet allows us to add detail to any of our lines in order to budget better. To begin, we're going to click on the IT worksheet. From here, we have our regular worksheet. Now we want to add our software subscriptions to this worksheet, but we want to have a little bit more granularity in how we record those expenses. So let's make a special purpose worksheet. To do this, we're going to click on the Worksheet Actions and click on our Create Special Purpose Worksheet, or SPWs. From the Special Purpose Worksheet page here, we're going to click on Add Line, and we will add our first software type. I'm going to put this in a new section called Software Subscriptions, and we will enter our accounting software. I'm going to click on Post a Budget Worksheet and choose my account. This isn't related to any specific grant, so we will choose our non-project or grant related line dimension. Now on our Values tab, we are going to type in the amount that we pay per month for our subscription and click Preview. I'm also going to add a note letting me know what type of software this $200 is for. And I'm going to click Save. Now, I want to add another line to our SPW for our other software type. We're going to add it to our same section that we created earlier. We will add our CRM software to our worksheet. Again, we're going to post to our budget worksheet, choose that same account and the same line dimension for the non-project grant. I'm going to come over to my values, add another amount per month, and add my note, and copy that down. Then I'm going to click Save. Now you can see that we have the level of detail we want with each software being itemized as appropriate, while the summary is going to be posted back out to our worksheet. Now we can do even more with our special purpose worksheets, such as calculations, and even at certain Martis subscription levels, bring in data from other budgeted values throughout our organization. Currently, our SPW is very simple, and that's okay. We're going to go ahead and tell Martis to post these values into our worksheet. To do so, we're going to click on Post to Worksheet and then click OK. Clicking OK again, let's navigate back to our worksheet by clicking on the Worksheet button. Martis has posted our dollars into the software subscriptions line, and we can see that that is now controlled by a special purpose worksheet by the budget widget calculator icon being replaced with our special purpose worksheet icon. A couple other things to note: if I hover over the $500, I will see that that is containing both my accounting software subscription and my CRM software subscription. And note that if I want to edit those lines, I'm going to need to click on the WSPW button in order to jump back over to the SPW to make any changes. I can no longer directly edit the line like I can on the other lines. Thank you for joining us. Be sure to check out our other videos that will dive deeper into all of the functionality that's available via our SPWs.